Hi, we're students from the University of Massachusetts Amherst. We're at the Arcadia Wildlife Sanctuary in East and Northampton, Massachusetts. I'm Aiden, a poli-sci and environmental science major and a first-year student.
My name is McKing. I'm a biochemistry senior.
My name's Anya. I'm an environmental science major, first-year student.
And my name is Jesse. I'm an environmental science junior. We filmed this video on the ancestral homelands of the Nonotuck, Nipmuc, and Pocumtuck peoples. As we work to protect the environment, it is important that we learn from native scientists and this area's long-lasting native history.
Treating 10% of Arcadia's invasive plants costs $10,000 per year. To treat all of the invasive species on the land, it would cost $300,000 over 3 years. This is a cost equivalent to 20 trained volunteers giving 3 hours a week, every week for 3 years.
I mean, it started with two women actually who were seeing all these people use exotic bird feathers for their clothing and like fashion and stuff. And they were like, we are fed up with this. So they started Mass Audubon in 1896 to like stop people from killing these birds for fashion.
Oh, no.
That's where it actually started, yeah. It started mostly focused on birds, and now it's just land conservation habitat, because that's really the best way to preserve species, is protecting habitat.
Yes.
Yeah.
Right here we have this bittersweet vine. You can see it goes all the way up. I hope you guys can see it like pulling, but you can see it going all the way up there. And like Justin said, this is gonna wrap around the tree, become so thick, it kills the tree because it's so heavy. So this is like not that big yet, but it can get really big. It's a little hairy, as you can see here. So yeah. So this is what our group got after around 2 hours. There's 5 of us total, including our project leader, Justin. It's predominantly bittersweet. A lot of it is really deep rooted. It's really dense, so there's a lot more in there than what might appear volume wise. But yeah.
Hey there, it's day 2 of volunteering at Arcadia. We've got a larger group of people today, and today, instead of doing invasive species, we are focusing on mulching the new nature playground. So we're putting down a layer of cardboard around the installations first, and then we're going to be putting down about 10 inches of mulch to protect the ground and also protect the people playing on the playground.
The ACA describes civic engagement as the individual and collective actions aimed at identifying and addressing issues of public concern. It is about actively participating in efforts that improve one's community and strengthen democracy. Some things we learn from our experience include how impactful invasive species are,
How volunteering can be a great community building activity.
How much of an impact environmental leadership has, and that you can have fun and make a difference at the same time.